seated in middle of the room. Placing your sofa in a perfect position is like solving a $1 million problem. If you are seated in a middle of a big room, we have got a problem. It doesn't really feel okay. Something feels wrong. When you are seated on a sofa which is in a middle of a big room, you get a feeling that someone will come from behind or something will harm you. It is not a desirable arrangement. Better option is if there is a wall or some partition behind that sofa. That feels perfect. You feel more secured. You enjoy view of whole room and everything is visible to you. Remember we spoke about eye magnets in previous videos? Objects which grab your attention? Well, sofas are like body magnets. Whoever enters the room is drawn towards it. It grabs you completely and it takes care of you. Place your sofa nicely and cherish the feeling.